This is John, and John is a good person. He plays with his dog, spends time with his family, he cycles to work, gives to charity, and waters the plants. But when it comes to eating with plastic cutlery, he just doesn't give a fork. So we asked all the Toms, Dicks, and Harrys of the world, why don't you BYOC? And they all blamed this. We knew bigger pockets is the answer. But then our friend Darwin called and said,
"You are the result of 4 billion years of evolution. Act like it!"
And that's when the bulb flashed. We created the best cutlery in the world, then created this tiny box, summoned the powers of the gods to somehow fit this in this. Introducing Outlery. World's first collapsible, portable, and plastic-free cutlery and chopsticks. This small box fits perfectly in your pocket and bag, and is tailored for eating in the office, on the go, and wherever life takes you. Using it is easy. Simply screw it in when you need it, and enjoy the food with the warm and fuzzy feeling of not hurting Frank and his friends. Outlery is made of stainless steel, and unlike the BPA-infested plastic, it's extremely hygienic and cleans in a breeze. With a patent pending, Outlery is designed with the environment in mind. One set of Outlery can save thousands of plastic cutlery pieces ending up in the ocean that could save God knows how many turtles. So let's pledge to eat responsibly, because you are a good person, and when it comes to eating with plastic cutlery, you do give a fork.